Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po yung lingkod, si JomarX, and today we'll be reviewing the Pulsar Hydro Strike. This is a gel blaster that is, I think, intended for the US market because this is colorful, comes with lots of warnings, and made in China. Prime toys use 7.5mm water gel beads. Far too many details and looks different. Really different. It's really colorful. It, bright colors, orange flash hider, nerf connector, stock connector. Really different one what from the usual ones that we get. But do not let the looks fool you. This is an actual gel blaster inside. I mean, gel blaster standard parts or airsoft standard parts. Okay, let's proceed with the review. Quality, it is ABS. So it feels creaky, but as long as you do not drop it well, it will not break. Actually, there is a combination of ABS, it's ABS, and ABS, but this is, I think, nylon. But no, it's probably ABS too. There's no nylon parts, all ABS. Shiny, creaky ABS. For trades, I think this is the brand. This one, Pulsar Hydro Strike. And there's lots of warnings, recommended ages for 14 and up under adult supervision before using with owner's manual, available free from Prime Toys. Prime Time Toys. Made in China, 2021, Prime Time Toys, use 7 gel beads, powered by PTDZ, whatever that means. Warning, adult supervision, blah blah, cars may use injury, aisles for protection, read all manuals, conform to all laws. Definitely for the US, far too many warnings. And I think this is French on the other side. Battery space. It's quite huge. But there's a spacer for this one that prevents you from using bigger batteries. So you can use this type of stick type batteries or this type. That's the original one. And this is also an XT30 connector. BB capacity, nice. It's chunky. This is the usual blaster mag. This is what we have. See? A lot. It says 500 here. I don't know if it's really 500 rounds, but I would not think otherwise because it's really chunky. Weight, 2 kilos? No. Barely a kilo. It's very light. Since it's all plastic. Actually, this became a little bit heavier because it got upgraded to some metal parts. Now it has metal gears, bearing bushings, HSS metal tooth piston body with polymer piston head. This has aluminum cylinder head, aluminum nozzle, a metal tappet plate, and that's really it. You can see the insides of this one from the disassembly video, link in the description. This was broken when it was sent to me. It was only 90 FPS. But after fixing it and using a proper O-ring, it went up or went back to its original 200-ish FPS. So not bad. Range, it easily hits my 10-meter range. So, okay. Accuracy, not so much because the nozzle is long as it's around this big and it plays around the TPs. No, yes, the TPs. Uh, there's some air leaks in that area, so it makes the FPS fluctuates. So accuracy, not so much. Oh, this one doesn't have a magazine prime, so you need to literally wait it for the bullets or the gels to come out. But the good thing is this one is that the loading is easy. Press, press, release. Oops. Then put it back. Fire. It also have a oops, gels. Say disconnects the trigger. Semi full auto. Oops. Uh, this uses a non-standard version 3 type gearbox, somewhat similar to airsoft, but some modified parts. So, and a nylon gearbox. So, there's somewhat leeway for upgrades, but then again, don't try to upgrade this too much. I don't know about it, especially about the nozzle. If it breaks, there will be a problem. But I think the most more problem is change the spring is the spring guide. It's plastic ABS. Oh no, it's nylon. But the tabs are very thin. So if it gets too stressed, it might fall down. Well, this is supporting this one towards the gearbox. So maybe I don't know. It's up to you. And oh, this one has a resettable fuse for the trigger. So let's say if the user is child and holds it far too much, it heats up, it cuts off, and saves the unit from burning. So kudos to them. Overall, it looks nice. Have lots of capacity, gels, and it looks unique. So, but the price for 7,000, it was imported a long, long time ago. It's up to you. I don't know if it's still available. It's by from Sir Alfred Tanopo. This is my phone. Well, this is his unit. If it's worth it, probably it's up to you. It's a niche, so it's a case-to-case basis. Anywho, if you have any questions, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!